So Jonah and I have something super fun planned for tonight. I think some of you know what a foodie he is, how he loves trying everything, and how we have traveled a lot. We eat a lot of different food. We're gonna try for the first time ever cooking, doing seafood night, but we are gonna do the cooking. We're trying a few different things. We just got a little bit of each, but we're gonna do scallops. Those are my favorite. We're gonna do lobster tails. He loves those, and also crab leg. It won't be too excessive. I just got like a couple of each thing. He's out playing right now and it's not really quite dinner time, but I was thinking I'm gonna start prepping a few of the things to the extent that he doesn't really know it's things I've done, because he's very clear he wants to help do all of this with me. So for my own sake, I'm like thinking I will prep a few things ahead of time so that it makes it really easy for me to let him help when the time comes, because there's certain things that are just hard to do with a 7-year-old. I'm kind of thinking of the things like that I know he can do. So I'm leaving some stuff for him that will absolutely be his job, and I'm gonna do like some of the mixing of herbs and things like that ahead of time. So hang out with me while I prep a few things before he gets home. So one of the main things that I think I should do before Jonah gets in here is we're gonna broil the lobster tails and the crab legs. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
I'm telling him how we're gonna make our seafood later. Okay, that was a close call, but he was so preoccupied with just getting some water for him and his friends that he did not really question what I was doing in here. I'm trying to make my life easier. It is not always easy to let a 7-year-old help in the kitchen, as cute as it is that he loves doing all of that. Like, some things mom just needs to do quick first. One of the things, now I don't know that I've done this before, but what it says is, I think it's called butterfly. So I have to like cut here and then pull the meat up so that in the broiler the meat's like on top of the butter and everything. So let's give this a try. I don't know what I'm doing. These look amazing. They look like so lot of meat here. Someone probably was scared of me, but how do I pull the meat up? These are some nice looking lobster tails. So the thing I keep hearing is like how much cheaper it is to make it at home. Like if you can figure out how to do this yourself at home, you are winning, because it's way cheaper than the restaurant. It's a lot of meat. Thinking kind of like that, and then like I'll put all of our herbs and butter, parsley and stuff up there before. So if you are local and you know you live in my area, I'd be happy to share with you where I got these, because they are looking really good. Okay. See, now this is something like Jonah would want to help with, and I would be like, I don't even know what I do. I don't know how you can help. So I'm not a bad mom, just trying to make it easier and more enjoyable for us to do together later. So I'm just gonna put this back in the fridge, let them stay there until he comes home later and we're actually ready to cook. It's only like 4 o'clock now, well, 4 hours. We'll probably be cooking this in an hour or two. I don't think there's a lot more I have to do with it. Thinking I might just also like chop up some of the parsley that I got so that we're just ready to go. I feel like we need this for the scallops and the lobster tails. So yeah, just a little chopping. Nice small pieces. So I'll put some in the butter that's gonna go over the lobster tails, and then I'll put the rest in the pan for the scallops. Those we're gonna sear on top of the stove. So honestly, all of this stuff, it just cooks so quickly. This will help to just have things kind of timed out correctly so that it all gets done at the same time. And then this will actually be good too, because now that I have it ready, Jonah can take it, sprinkle it in the pan for me when I'm ready for him to do that. So I'm always trying to think of like, how can he help as much as possible, you know, and what's he capable of helping with at this point without burning himself or cutting himself or things like that. He loves to help. So adorable. All right. We're ready. We're gonna cook. What are we making? Do you remember?
Making a jelly curry.
What about these guys? Look what I did to them. They're so big, aren't they? The lobster tails? Okay. So I'll tell you.
Those are lobster.
Yeah, and those are some big lobsters. Can you imagine if that whole thing, how big it must have been?
Yeah.
So we have a few things that we gotta do. All this cooks pretty quick.
Oh, cool. There's the crab. Is it a whole crab?
These are crab legs. So what? I was trying to like how to do these things. So let's put these on this pan together.
Okay.
The oven is preheating. And I need your help with a few things. Oh, I do have an idea. Here, yeah. All I'm gonna want to do is warm that up. That'll be kind of the last thing. So, do you want to just set as many of those as you can on there?
Yeah.
Okay. And while you're doing that, I'll put the crab legs on the pan.
So like, do I do it close together or like further away?
You can put them close together, sure.
I'll probably just do that.
Although it's just the two of us, so we don't need it.
Yeah. I'll just put them around that way.
Okay.
Is it garlic bun?
Oh my god, there's a little water.
Oh, shoot.
Water. Oh, you got all of them. Good job. Okay. Man, this seafood is amazing looking.
Was it garlic?
Why don't we keep that? Then, for the scallops, we need these scallops to be as dry as possible
Okay.
so they sear good in the
Oh.
pan. When you're done with that, get some fresh paper towel and then just dab it.
Oh,
Why? Because it's the smell.
yeah.
Yeah, just kind of like ball it up and just kind
Oh.
of. They're pretty dry already because I left them in the fridge like that.
Oh, I touched it. Are they raw?
Yeah, we're gonna cook them. It looks really good already.
Doesn't smell bad.
You don't really like scallops, but you'll try them, right?
Maybe.
What do you mean, maybe?
There's a chance. It's like 50-50.
Okay, that's probably good for those. Wait for that pan to get really hot. I have something for you that you can do with this.
Hi.
This is a little warm, so what I want you to do is take like spoonfuls and like kind of get it on every leg.
Oh, not that part though?
You can do it on the whole thing. There should be enough.
So like this?
Perfect. I'm gonna melt the lobster butter. You don't have to use all of that because we can always dip our stuff in it too.
Is it for lobster? Or is it your secret? What's the
So that one is just butter.
big, like fat leg?
Yeah, that's like that's the best part.
Which one do we like more?
Let's decide. We will vote on it after we eat it.
Do we make lobster too?
Yeah, I think other times we've talked about at restaurants you like lobster butter, but
Yeah, lobster.
if that's still true.
Yeah. You like lobster better too.
So then I have butter to the lobster too, and I'm just
Do this.
I'm gonna
Boil a lot of butter.
right here. You don't have to use all of that. Can you take all the green paprika or white parsley and sprinkle it in that pan, but be very careful not to touch the pan because the pan's hot.
This pan?
No, in the hot pan. Just kind of throw it in there. Don't touch it. You want me to help? Good.
Yeah.
That's getting nice and hot, just how we want it. So great. The cayenne pepper. I love cayenne pepper. I don't want it to be too spicy.
That's fine, honey. We're gonna sit for a second. There's our stuff. We gotta get our bread out of the oven.
What's this?
Delicious. Be honest, because you're the food critic, so you need to be honest.
Oh, too bad I'm gonna spit it out.
You like them?
Not like that.
Better than how I truly am.
Weird.
You want me to show you this?
Yeah.
So, I
Oh!
kind of go like this, so it like makes a crack. These are super helpful too if I be like, let's break it.
Hey, don't do it all. I want to do it
We
too.
have more to do. This part is so good, right?
Yeah. I broke the whole thing in half.
Well, that's fine. Now you can get the meat. Look at all the meat.
Let's see if there's more there.
Did you try lobster? Having more fun playing with the and the seasoning and butter. That's good. Yeah, so you don't need that butter, but you should be able to pull all the meat off of around it.
I don't like it. I'm gonna try lobster. It's cold.
Pulls off, but eat it. Eat it, and you need to decide if you like the crab or lobster. I can't believe you like the scallop.
I don't like life. That's the dog.
We want some. You like it?
Lobster's better than crab.
Do you like the lobster better? Final decision. Hi, YouTube.
I see you in 200 billion. 555 years.
For probably tomorrow.